It's time for the prompt of the week. Every Wednesday, I share my favorite prompts for ChatGPT and other AI tools. And today, I share with you a very cool prompt to create a user or buyer's persona. This ChatGPT prompt is very valuable if you want to create users' personas fast. User personas are very helpful to understand your target audience, like, for example, their demographics, problems, pains, desires, and much more. Let's have a look at how the prompt works. I already pasted the prompt in the ChatGPT chat box. If you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, I will explain later how you can sign up. I use the free 3.5 version, which works perfectly fine for my tasks. And of course, I will also explain later how you can get the prompt. But first, let's see the magic in action. In the first place, I ask ChatGPT to act as a marketing research expert who can fluently speak and write in English. All the text and all the phrases in the 2 asterisks are exchangeable. So they can be adjusted whatever kind of output you want to have. So if you want to have the output in a different language than English, you can add it here. It can be German and Spanish, French, whatever language you want to have. And one note here, please adjust it here as well as at the end of the prompt, over here and here. So this is for the language setting. And also you will find in the next step a short description of your business. So this should entail a short description of your business model, what kind of products or services your business provides, what's the use of the products or services, on which markets you're selling, and what kind of gender your target group is. It's female, male, or all genders. In my case, I want to create some more user personas for my online shop, which sells dry flower bouquets and dry flower accessories to the German market. And the target group can be all genders. And then as a description, the dry flower bouquets and the accessories can be used for home decoration, as a wedding bouquet or accessory, or as a gift for friends or partners. This was my very short business description. Of course, it can be longer. The longer it is, the better and the more detailed can be the user persona. So if you have more time, you can spend more time in describing your business, your products, services, and your market. And the rest you can leave as it is. It is just a description for the AI. And just to make you understand what happens here, I decided that I want to have the output as a table with the main things being the demographics, a summary, the psychographic factors, with all the things that are usually entailed in a user persona. These things can also be adjusted, but for the sake of simplicity, I leave it as it is. And yeah, in the end, you can also adjust the tone of the output. So for example, another example for tone could be serious, emotional, humorous, pessimistic, compassionate. Another example for the writing style could be academic, analytical, journalistic, or poetic. But I decided I want to have informal tone and a creative writing style. So after you entered all your parameters and adjusted the language and gave the AI a description of your business, then you can press go. And what happened here is that the tool came up with a user persona. So, and also thanks to the very detailed prompt, it organized the output already in a table, which is great. So it came up with Sophie Müller, the age, what kind of job she's doing, the income, and so on, like the most important demographics. Here is a short summary, which can be copy and pasted in presentations or in other AI tools, for example, to generate a user avatar. And here are the psychographic factors. And yeah, so basically ChatGPT created this persona with just one click. It also, what I forgot to mention earlier, the purchasing patterns, which are quite interesting for marketers when it comes to decide what kind of channels to use to speak to Sophie. And in the end, you can also add other things. For example, I would be interested in the zodiac sign of Sophie, and I can ask ChatGPT to add the zodiac sign of Sophie to the demographics. And then AI decided, based on the other information it came up around the persona Sophie, that she's a creative Virgo, embodies attention to detail and a practical yet artistic approach to life. So this is also very helpful if you want to create social media content, and you can basically ask all questions about Sophie's personality, behaviors, preferences to ChatGPT, because based on this briefing and this prompt, it knows exactly what to answer. And if you want to get this whole ChatGPT prompt, please click on the link in the post or in the description. It will take you to my website. You can sign up for the wiki prompts. Every Wednesday you will receive a very helpful prompt for your AI straight into your inbox. And in your first email, you will receive exactly this prompt. And also, again, the description, how to use it, what to adjust to receive the best result from ChatGPT. I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned and see you soon.